What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download someone's Discord profile picture. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just open your browser and log in on your Discord like me. After that, go on these vertical dots, click on it and you will see here more tools. Scroll down to developer tools, click on it and you will see this new window, switch here to network. After that, tap here avatar and reload this page. When you reload page like me, you will see here available profile pictures from your friends on Discord. If you need bigger avatar profile, just click on your friend like me and go on his profile and you get bigger avatar. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download Discord profile picture fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.